McPherson from the agency, and I cannot wait to show you what 75 Carbeen Drive in Taranganba has to offer. Let's head on in and check it out. The generous floor plan is so functionally designed, and I love how it connects all the spaces so effortlessly. My favourite feature of the property has to be the ample windows and doors that let in so much natural light. And how beautiful is this private back patio? Overlooking the bushland with limited neighbours, your own private sanctuary awaits at 75 Carbeen Drive in Taranganba. If you'd like to know more about this gorgeous home, situated on an 836 metre square allotment, please do not hesitate to reach out to me, Anna McPherson. I'd love to talk to you.